Hi, my name's Vicky.
Hi, my name's Maliha.
We're part of the Diana Ward Youth Board.
And we're here to meet the Woodlands School who are taking part in our anti-bullying workshop.
We are working with the Diana Awards and Head and Shoulders on a project called Free the Shoulders.
This is one of the youth board leaders.
Hi, I'm Sikmani. Yeah, leaders day.
Teachers such as myself, other pupils can use some resources to get them talking about bullying and awareness of appearance-based bullying and how they can be utilised in a school setting.
I think they're very fun. I think they really got us thinking, and I like the fact that we can communicate with each other. Two of my friends, they came up and they gave us an activity to do, which was to see how we identify ourselves, what we think our identity is. I think it was done very well because it was done by our peers. I think people my age, they know how to put it into words that they'll understand what we have to do.
I found the workshop really entertaining. It's not like any other workshop. I found it we really engaged with our peers. We took all the pictures and we made a brand new face to celebrate our differences, but how positively different we are in a way.
The identity is?
Like who you are as a person. Yeah.
Okay, I'll write that.
People like me who do sometimes struggle with bullying, it's just nice to know that you have someone there.
You'll see some statements come up on the board, and over on the other side of the room we have two posters. One says 100%, one says 0%. Stand where you think that statement kind of lands on that. So how many people have negative thoughts about a person that has dandruff?
They were really surprised by the statistics, so it created a really interesting sort of discussion and kind of led us on to talk about appearance-based bullying and how that can make people feel.
We should just look at the person as they are, not as of their appearance.
Watching the pupils today open up and be engaging has been wonderful, and I think pupils do need the opportunity to be able to do that. So I think my advice to staff and other schools would be to give it a go and try it. I think lots of the workshops that we've tried are adaptable.
How do we think these resources we've used today could help some pupils at Woodlands School?
I think it could maybe help them find, like when they're experiencing bullying, finding things to do and how to help themselves.